I have here Etekcity's 5-pack remote outlet switch. This is what it looks like. It's pretty thick, but it works good too. This is not UL listed. The remote uses a very unique battery. It's not AA or AAA. That's what the remote looks like. It's thin. You have 5 settings and 2 remotes. Also comes with an instruction manual. Now I'm going to show you how to use it. I have the first button to turn all of them on. As you can see, that red LED is lit up. Then off. I have the second one for the first one on the left, on, off. Third one is this one. On, off. Next. And then the last one. It's very easy to use, it works well. It's pretty much all you need to know that it works. You actually do get a lot of range with this too. It's pressed well as well. Easy to set up. To set it up, you simply just hold the learn button that is yellow on the side until the LED starts blinking. Now it's blinking. Now you can press any one of these buttons. So I'll do one. And it blinks really fast for a second. Now it works fine. You can also do this with many of them. So say I have like 3 or 4 right here. You can hold it. Another one and another one. So they're all blinking. I can do 2. And every single one will turn on and off. It's very easy to do. This review was done by Zachary, and I gave it a 5-star rating.